Our first day in Thailand. How do you feel?
Great. It's hot here.
Hot, right?
Yeah, it's very humid.
Hey, but it's not that hot today. We're going to breakfast. We're currently stuck on the highway because our car broke down. I think he's trying to fix it right now. But we should have a shuttle coming really soon. We're currently on Smile Thai. How would you rate this airline?
Like 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. So we just woke up, day 2. We're in Karen Beach. What did we do last night, honey?
Ride a motorcycle.
Yeah, we rode a scooter for the first time. Everyone drives on the right side, but it's weird because it's opposite, which means that everyone's on the left lane. So we were trying to pull out of our parking lot, and then we almost got hit by our car. Durian for 30 baht.
Which is $1.
It's about $1. And it's frozen. So we got to Monkey Beach and there are no monkeys. We're actually kind of disappointed there are no monkeys. Just kidding, we found monkeys.
Oh my god.
Wait, that's our stuff.
Wait, is that ours?
That's our stuff. Oh, flip-flops. So we just saw some monkeys at an island that almost killed us. These monkeys are vicious. Once we get up there, it's gonna be so worth it. But first we need to take a nap.
I really can't move. Oh my god.
Just made it to the top of viewpoint 2. So awesome. What? How was your massage?
That was amazing.
Better than the last one, right?
Except you almost got some extra things.
Almost, until I said no. We are about to snorkel in Phi Phi Island. doctor fish is they have little fishies that will nibble on your feet, and it gets all the dead skin cells off of you. How do you feel right now? You just gotta stay still. You just gotta stay still.
Oh my gosh! I have to.
What's up, dudes?
Hello.
No. Hey, we're in Thailand, Railay Beach, and we're climbing at 123 wall. Look at that girl, she's so sweaty. So it finally rained in Thailand.
It didn't only rain, it poured.
Yeah, and we got caught in it.
But it felt great.
But it did feel great. Actually, we would have been back at our hotel if it wasn't for all
The
those
stupid monkeys. There was a monkey that jumped out and tried to grab Ray's food.
try to grab my takeaway. But I said, no, not today. And we just made it up to the viewpoint at Krabi, Railay Beach.
Look at our hands and our feet.
Yeah, that was quite the hike, huh?
And flip-flops.
But
Look at this view.
so worth it. So worth it, huh?
Yeah, so worth it. What are you eating?
Silkworm? The bamboo, what do you call bamboo worm?
What is it? Let me see.
Right here. Silkworm.
Okay, eat it.
You try like that.
Is it good?
It's good, huh? It's like potato chip. Yes. So we,
So scary looking.
no.
It really doesn't taste like anything.
Okay, come on, let's go. Come.
It's not hollow.
See? That's it.
Yeah, it tastes like potato chip.
Yeah. So we just finished cooking at Thailand. What did you think about it?
It was so lit.
So we're at the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary, and we just got to play with the elephants and take a bunch of pictures with them. They're really fun. Some of them are actually kind of aggressive, but some of them are actually really friendly. So yeah, so we got one. Yeah, we found one who has spots on him, and he really likes to play. So we're gonna play with him all day. So we just got to Bangkok and it's pretty busy here, except everything's closed. So kind of seems like everyone closes around 2:30 and they open up for the night markets. So yeah, pretty cool. We're gonna get some food because we are starving. Didn't eat since like 9 and it's about 2 o'clock now. So we just found the most local spot for Hainanese chicken. Yo, so like I'm drinking tea out of a bag. Never before have I done this. Yeah, they don't use plastic cups, they use plastic bags. I feel like everywhere I go, I get a massage. Even at the mall. This was 6 minutes for 20 baht.